Hello everyone, my name is Guilherme Henriques do Carmo. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, and this is my final project for CS50. It is a web-based application where you can simulate some soccer matches. This is the home page, so we can start selecting some match settings input. So we can start with the team type, where we can choose between European, Brazilian, or international club. The match type can be a league, a cup, or a friendly match. And this is the home advantage checkbox that you can select to give the home team a slightly better chance to win the game, but let's keep it unchecked for now. Now we gotta select the teams. If you just click the select team drop down, we receive all the European teams as we select European club here. But if we change it for a Brazilian club, for example, we get the only the Brazilian clubs, and the international club, you receive the international teams as well, but let's keep it for the European one. And as you can see, there are so many of them. So if you wanna try a next specific one, you can just use the search home team input field, and then they are filtered for the only teams that has the words that you give to it. So let's select Manchester City, for example. Same thing for the our away team. We can type something like Rio, and then we got all the Rio teams. Let's select Real Madrid and then simulate the match. We have received all the statistics for a possible game between these two teams, the win probability, the shots on target, ball possession, pass accuracy, and number of yellow cards. If we do the same thing, but with the home advantage now, we'll see that now the home team will have a better chance to win the game. Yeah, and of course we have some error checking here. If the user don't give me any input, there is no way we can simulate it. Now going to the tournament feature, we can select a tournament between Premier Bundesliga, League One, and all these ones, which are some famous championships from some countries. Brasileirão is from Brazil, and the World Cup is with the international teams. We can just select one and simulate the tournament here, and we receive a very big table with all the teams participating on this tournament and their respective win probability. And same thing for the others. Let me just make it for the World Cup. As we are having World Cup this year, it is pretty interesting to see their chances. Now we can create a team, but not so fast because we gotta be logged in to make a team, just so we can save it for later. So let's go ahead and create an account. Let's say EH and a password. That's it. Okay, now we can go ahead and create a team. Let's say Harvard FC for football club. Team rating, let's say 85. Ball possession, some 73. And what about this cross color, which is a hex number? Let's create this team, and there we go. We have here my teams, and Harvard is the first team created here. But of course, if we have some, I don't know, Yale FC and just try to make it the most powerful team ever, or with some crazy input, of course, it won't work. We have to follow the specifications. And of course, but let me just make it all right and just type some numbers here. And we'll see that when we create it, maybe if you want to edit it and or change anything, we can just use this delete button. And of course, then later you can have some fun and try a match between any club you like and your team you just created. Yeah, that's it for my final project, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for listening.